You know what sucks? It's driving around with your truck for a couple weeks before you realize you forgot to put the spring clamp back on over the end of the hose. Look at this. This hose is ready to blow off that freaking barbed end of the radiator. I was just hot rodding my truck, and I thought I smelled a little bit of antifreeze, so it's actually squirting some out right there. It's not just at the bottom of that, so it's not that low, but look at that, it dripped right there. It's been slinging it around right when I got it warm. I gotta come back out here when it cools off and shove that on. It's still in the springed position, or locked position. Pretty spring out. Man, I can't believe I forgot that. I can almost get that on now. Look at that. Look, it's squirting out. Dude, what a jackass. Oh, fuck. Man, I was just hauling ass in this thing too. I could have freaking... I did the same thing on my Mustang right after I turbocharged it the first time. I freaking did that same thing, man. Freaking was sitting in the drive-thru, luckily, not like hot rodding in it. Got warm up to operating temperature and it popped off. Blew out a bunch of steam. There we go. Right about there. Come on. There it goes. Alright, it's on there. Damn, I can't believe I did that. Put some coolant in it. That was a close one. Too bad. Good thing I wasn't driving up the mountains or anything.